everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do some driving and bashing, hopefully not break it. We are here at St. Anne's Park, a nice place. We hit some ramps, hopefully. Alright, so here we go. Out with us today we have the trx Outlaw, really fast. Okay, let's go find some ramps. Just so you can see how fast this is, here's full speed on concrete. Quite fast. Here we are coming back. So it is quite a nice fast car. Gotta head into the bushes, hopefully find some jumps. This car I've had for about a month or so. Haven't broken it yet. It's good at jumping. So let's go find some. Oh look, we have the racetrack over there. Being there probably in the next video. Racing probably some other people. Doesn't seem to be much here, but look over there. Hills. Hills mean jumps. Hills mean braking. Hills mean bashing. This car is all-wheel drive. Top speed, I'm not quite sure. It's good off-roader. It's nice and light, so if the battery dies, if you have one battery like me, and you don't have to carry it, it's not that heavy. Here we are at the hills right now. Okay, so we're here. Seems like pretty good hills. Might get some jumps, hopefully not break it, because as I want to go for a bit longer. So let's get some nice cool shots. Okay. We probably gonna do some jumps. Big man there, maybe over, land down. Hopefully don't break it. Alrighty, up we go. Up. Hello, dog. Something always with this car with dogs. Alright, after the dog issues, we are back up. Now we're on the top of the hill. Suppose doesn't seem to be that good up here now that you look. Doesn't really be any jumps. Dog coming again. Hello, dog. Doesn't seem to be that many hills here. Not good jumps. Jump down there, but I wouldn't say I'd land good, and that would not be good. We could find a better place, hopefully. Okay, just as I was about to move on, I noticed the car goes down, hits that jump, goes over, hopefully clears the drip gap. Let's try it. That's kind of good. And the clicking sound. It's just sticks, hopefully. Let's have a look in there. Yeah, just sticks. Oh no. Seems like we have a good jump. Right there. Let's try it out. Ah, got stuck. Try that again. That was a good, nice one. Seems like it's pretty good. Right off here, hit down there. Let's find some more rampage. Alright. So, I don't think to have broken anything yet, but still good, I think. Anyway, but yeah. Oh no. Crashed into a tree. Don't know where we're gonna head next. Probably to some ramps. Straight ahead. Yeah, sure, we'll go straight ahead. Find some rocks or something over there. anything good here? Don't think so, but we can still drive it. There should be something good on the other side. Nice up. Oh no. Okay. Slippy slope. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. Let's find something else to do. Maybe if we go down here. Oh no. Oh no. Tumble. What happened? All ready to run again. This will go up here. Nice and high. And down here. Up here. And down again. That's all I'm gonna do. Let's go find some nice jumps. Let's go find some nice jumps to go to. Okay, up here seems like a good bash arena. Okay, so I was here a couple years ago. It was like 2 years ago when I was younger. I had this kind of toy grade RC car. There's these couple of trx4s that could not make it up the slope. Like, as hard as they tried. They kept falling on like this part. So, see if this truck can do it. Oh no. And it fell. Let's try again. Oh, it's all scratched. So we can just clean it when we go home. Still looks good as hell though. Oh, we made it this time. This speed car can? Oh no. Oh, not again. So annoying. All right. Oh, look at this jump. Get her run up. Yeah, to the moon. Let's have a seat. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's go. Let's try that again. Let's go higher though. This car isn't as fast as like an X-Max or something, but it's still good. See this run up. And we go down, hit the ramp, go to the moon. All right, we go up and oh. Naughty. Now, we're up. We turn. We hit the ramp. Okay, seems good. But I think that we can get better. Allow squirrel, eating your food, running away, climbing up a tree, scared of an RC car, unfortunately. Oh, they're just driving along. There's 2 dogs. We go down this big slope up here, in this ramp, and dogs coming. So we just have to wait until the dogs go, and we can go. And the dog is going away. So let's hit it. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, this is a little bit worse than I thought. Oh, the battery's dying. You can see when I go full throttle. So it's jumping. We might get one more jump. Oh, I don't think so. Maybe back. Nah. Oh no. Well, if the battery's dead, I don't have any spares, so I guess it's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. May not be much for you, but it's a lot for me. See you in the next one. Goodbye.